So, dear friends, today we learn some properties of the reciprocal of lattice. Properties of reciprocal lattice. So, it should be to prove that these properties consider reciprocal lattice vector A bar is equal to B bar cross C bar divided by A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Let we put A bar is equal to A complex, B bar is equal to B complex, and C bar is equal to C complex. So considering the above equation now becomes A complex is equal to B bar cross C bar divided by A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So if you take the reciprocal of this, reciprocal of the above equation, so we got complex of complex, so we got the B reciprocal into C complex divided by A complex B bar cross C bar. Now we consider multiply by A into A to the right side of this equation, because A star A into A complex is 1, because A complex is a reciprocal of the A, so it is equal to 1. If you have to multiply the 1, there is no change in your equation value. So if you have to multiplying this, we got A complex B complex C complex divided by D B into C. Now if you put this readjusting your terms, so we got divided by A complex B cross C. So this is cancelled, so remaining term is only A. So if you take the reciprocal of the reciprocal lattice vector, so we get the direct lattice vector. Okay. So if you are to writing this, A bar is equal to B cross C divided by A bar dot B cross C. So you can be putting this is equal to B C. So this is the reciprocal divided by A B cross C. So this is a direct lattice vector, this is a reciprocal lattice vector. So similarly we got B bar and C bar also. So B bar is equal to C cross A bar divided by A bar B bar cross C bar. C bar is equal to A bar B bar divided by A bar dot B cross C bar. So this is a reciprocal of the reciprocal lattice vector is a direct lattice. Yes, we can prove this. Now we consider the next properties of the reciprocal lattice. That property's name is, you have to asking sometime question. Volume of the unit cell of reciprocal lattice vector lattice is inversely proportional to volume of unit cell of direct lattice. So this is a property, means volume of the reciprocal lattice must be inversely proportional to the volume of the unit cell, but it is in a direct lattice. So we can prove it. To prove these properties, first we consider a volume of unit cell in a direct lattice, and this is equal to A bar dot B cross C bar. If we consider the volume of the unit cell in a reciprocal lattice, so we got A bar dot B bar cross C bar. But we know there is a relation between the reciprocal lattice vector and direct lattice vector. So A bar is equal to B bar C bar divided by A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Then B bar is equal to C bar cross A bar divided by A bar dot B bar cross C bar. C is equal to A bar cross B bar divided by A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So we got the three reciprocal lattice vector, capital A, B and C. So can we determine the volume of the unit cell in a reciprocal lattice? So we can be right here, volume is equal to A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So A bar is equal to B bar cross C bar divided by A bar dot B bar cross C bar dot B bar is equal to C bar cross A bar divided by A bar dot B bar cross C bar into C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar divided by A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So can we take the common, that is a bar dot b bar cross c bar, if taken common outside, so we got a bar dot b cross c, so cubes, so remaining terms inside the bracket, b bar cross c bar dot product c bar cross a bar dot a bar cross b bar. So we know there is a relation P cross Q cross R cross S is equal to Q in bracket multiply by P dot R cross S minus, you take the common P, Q R cross S. So similarly you can be right here C bar cross A bar C bar cross A bar, that the A bar cross B bar is equal to, so Q is nothing but here A, so you have to put the A common, so write the bracket C dot A bar cross B bar minus C A dot A cross B, so bracket complete. So we got this. If you have to put these values in this equation, so we got volume of the unit cell in a reciprocal lattice is equal to 1 upon A bar dot B bar cross C bar, so cube in bracket B bar cross C bar retains same, B bar cross C bar retains same. This is replaced dot in bracket A bar C bar dot A bar cross B bar minus C A bar dot A bar cross B bar. So here we can be only written here, this is a B cross C bar retains same as like this, B bar cross C bar is retained same, so only replace these terms C bar cross A bar cross A bar cross B bar by this term. So we got the A bar dot C dot A cross B minus C A dot A cross B, A dot A cross B. Now we consider one properties, that is C bar dot A bar cross B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar cross C bar. It is also written as B bar dot C bar cross A bar. So can we consider this C bar dot A cross B as replaced by using these equations. So we got another term is there. If you have to take the A bar dot A cross B is equal to 0. So now these terms A bar dot A bar cross B is become 0. So only remaining term is there. 1 upon A bar dot b bar cross c bar cube in bracket b bar cross c bar dot, this is replaced by this. So we got the a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Can we change this? C bar dot a bar is a bar dot b bar cross c bar. So there is one more a bar dot b bar cross c bar. So we got volume of the reciprocal lattice P 1 upon a dot b cross c, so cube v bar cross c bar generating same as an earlier. So there is a remaining a and the term which is given a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Okay, so it should be remember this and this is you have to take together. So we got 1 upon a dot b bar cross c bar cube. You can written a bar dot b bar cross c bar dot a bar dot b bar cross c bar. So a bar dot b bar cross c bar, a bar dot b bar dot a bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to square. So you got the a bar b bar cross c bar, so cube a bar b bar cross c bar square. So there is only remaining one term. So we got the 1 upon a bar b bar cross c bar. So this is nothing but the volume of the unit cell in a direct lattice. This is the volume of the unit cell in a direct lattice. Our volume of the direct lattice is equal to 1 upon volume of the reciprocal lattice. So this is an one properties of the reciprocal lattice vector. Now we go for the your next last properties. That name is every reciprocal lattice vector is perpendicular to the direct lattice plane. So in order to prove this, sigma HKL is an reciprocal lattice vector and it is normal to the HKL plane. HKL plane. So for that purpose we consider one plane so that plane is suppose so this is on your plane. So we consider there is a 3 point P, Q, R. So intercept made by the plane on the 3 axis. So this is suppose the x-axis, this is a y-axis, and this is your z-axis. So along to the axis, so there is intercept of the plane is a upon h. Intercept on the y-axis is b upon k, and intercept along to the z-axis equal to c upon l. Now suppose there is a interplanar spacing, that is distance is this is the reciprocal attached along to the normal to that plane. So this is your unit vector. So this is also your the sigma HKL. Sigma HKL. Okay. Now we consider this is the n, that is a PQ is a n bar, and Q R is an your m bar. So n bar and m bar is an along to the HKL plane. Along to the HKL plane. So if you have to consider your reciprocal lattice, and this dot product must be equal to 0 when if it is a normal to that plane. So reciprocal lattice vector must be normal to the plane if take the dot product of the reciprocal lattice vector with n bar and n bar. So from the geometry of the figure, so we consider OP, this is our origin, OP is equal to A bar divided by H. OQ is equal to B bar divided by K. And OR is nothing but C bar divided by L. Now if you have to compare this, observe this figure. So we got the geometry. So what is the geometry should be remembered? Consider OQ, OP and PQ. Means we consider this triangle only. So this is the right angle triangle. So by using the triangle law, we get OQ plus QP, OQ plus QP is equal to OP. OQ plus QP is equal to OP. So OQ is equal to B upon K. QP is nothing but N. OP is nothing but A upon H. So we got this. Now write the equation for N. So N is equal to A upon H minus B upon K. So scalar product of n bar dot sigma HKL must be equal to 0 if you want to the sigma HKL is a normal to the plane then. So can we prove it? N bar is equal to A bar divided by H, B bar divided by K into sigma HKL. So sigma HKL is equal to H A bar plus K B bar plus L C bar. So we got that scalar product. So scalar product is equal to A bar divided by H minus B bar divided by K dot H A plus K B plus L C bar. Now we consider this equation. So we got A bar divided by H minus B bar divided by K in dot product H A plus K B bar plus L C bar. We are taking the dot product separately for each terms. A bar dot H A bar plus K B bar plus L C bar minus B upon K H A bar plus K B bar plus L C bar. So multiply by this term inside the every term vector A dot A dot B, A dot C, B dot A, B dot B, B dot C. So we know there is one relation A bar dot A is equal to 1 is equal to B bar dot B is equal to C bar dot C. But A bar dot B is equal to 0. Similarly, other value will be 0. So if you have to multiply inside, so we got the 1 upon H into H A bar dot A bar plus K upon H A bar dot B bar plus L upon H A bar dot capital C bar minus 1 upon K dot H in bracket B bar dot capital A bar minus K upon K B bar capital B bar minus L upon K B bar dot C bar. So this term is equal to 1. This term is equal to 1. Other value is a 0. So we got H divided by H 1. A dot A 1. This is 0. This is 0. Now this is a minus K upon K 1 into this 1. So we got the 1 minus 1. This is equal to 0. So we write sigma HKL into N is equal to 0. So similarly we can be proof for M dot sigma HKL is equal to 0. So see in this figure M is here. So only you should be use this triangle law. So use for the second steps only there is equation PQ plus OR plus RQ is equal to OQ. So we got the equation that is equal to 0. So it can be concluded this your the reciprocal lattice vector is normal to the both vector, that is m and n. So in normal, that is m and n are present in a plane, so it is perpendicular to the your direct lattice plane. So this is on your one properties of the reciprocal lattice vector. So okay, we'll be stop here.